Good morning, keep going community, and welcome to another episode of Let's Make a Sticker, the show where we have 15 minutes and 23 seconds to make a sticker completely from scratch. I'm your host, Hunter Moranville. Guys, I am so stoked to be here. Thank you so much for tagging along this journey, and a special thank you to everybody in the subscriber community. If you're not a part of that community and you want to join in on the awesomeness, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down there, and we'll continue to bless you with our creativeness and crazy ideas. Okay, you guys, so by the end of this video, we're gonna have a super sweet sticker, and I'll be sharing some random facts, thoughts, and jokes with you throughout the video. Today's inspiration comes from the song Happy Endings by Mike Shinoda. Features Upsall and Ian Dior. You guys love this song. There's so much positive energy in here. The video itself is so creative. So that video is what's going to drive the inspiration to this sticker. I think we'll say something like, maybe like something that's like happy thoughts, happy life, or just like happy life, be happy. I think we'll just do something like happy thoughts, happy life. We'll do that, happy thoughts, happy life, and then we'll do some like cool little like graphics in the middle or something. Okay, I got my music going. I'm listening to Happy Endings. It's gonna drive the entire emotion of this sticker. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start our timer here. We have 15:23 on the clock. So we're gonna start that. We'll just put this off to the side here. And okay, we are off, you guys. So we're gonna start with happy thoughts. And I think we're going to do something that's kind of like a post type thing. I'm feeling like we're gonna do like blocks up here. So we'll do like a white block there, and we'll drag this down here. Happy thoughts. Happy life. So we'll do that. Let's go ahead and find a better font for these two. I'm feeling something that's like handwritten would be best for the feeling of this sticker. Ooh, I really like that font. We'll come back to that font. That'll be another sticker, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I want something that's just, it's got like a lot of brush to it. Maybe something like decorative. Oh. Happy thoughts, happy life. That's pretty cool. We might do that brush one that was up there. You know what, you guys? We might just do like a combo. You know what? Yeah, I think we'll just do like a combo, you know, because the this is kind of cool. Oh, okay. This is kind of cool. Happy thoughts. Happy life. Happy thoughts, happy living. Happy thoughts, happy living love. Happy living life. We'll do something like that. And then maybe we just squeeze that in a bit there. And we'll go there. We'll go there. And cool. Okay, so inside here is gonna be like the bulk of the craziness. Crazy. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's find our Unsplash. I love Unsplash here. You know, already on the, like, she's happy. That's cool. Happy. Unsplash just has so many great resources. Let's see, let's go ahead. I like this. This is cool. Let's get this guy in here. Let's do one more. And this one is gonna be that one. And okay, cool. So let's go ahead, go to our downloads folder. Let's drag these guys in here. And we'll just go, yep, 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 yep. And then we'll go select subject. We'll see what it does. Cool, that did like pretty much exactly what I wanted it to do. So we'll just do that. We'll just kind of clean up this mask here really quick. Right there. Okay, cool. So we got one. And let's go select subject. And then did a really good job again. Photoshop is awesome. Okay, cool. Select subject again. Sweet. And then we'll add that mask. This one might just be like the basis, the base for our picture. But I kind of like that too. Nah, we're gonna stick with the blue one. Cool, okay. And we'll just make sure that we're getting this guy's arms in there. And the mask. So we'll go ahead and just lightly paint this out real quick. Super quick thing. You know, a lot of this, you guys, isn't to get something perfect. It's all about progress, not perfection. We're just trying to get our creative juices flowing. That way we make something, and then if we want, we can always come back later and clean it up, you know, and then go through and add like the details. But this is more of just like an exercise to get your creative brain going. Let's see. So that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead, go here. I'm gonna bring everything down below. Everything there. Okay, cool. So we'll bring this in. It's gonna be like our base. We'll do something like that. Bring her like right there. Homie back here is gonna get rotated a bit. Something like that. And then this one is gonna go a little bit smaller. It's also gonna get rotated. And then this one is gonna go, she's gonna go right here. Right there. And okay, cool. Let's actually just make her bigger. Something like that. I like that. Okay, cool. Yep, lots of smiling in there. Sweet. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna oh, okay. Random thought of the day, you guys. Never mind what others do. Do better than yourself. Beat your own record from day to day and you are a success. And that's from William J.H. Bokter. I hope I'm pronouncing that last name right. But that is a very great piece of advice there. I like that a lot. You can't compare yourself to others. You have to just live your life and be focused on your own life. Compare yourself only to yourself and your previous self and strive for that continual growth, you guys. That's how you find the true happiness. So we'll go through, we'll add, what was that one that like was there first? There we go, screen. I like screen. Screen's pretty cool. Just trying to add some like depth stuff here. Let's make sure we get this guy back here. This one, move that out, filter, add noise, boom. And we'll just go something like that. And then to add noise, we'll go screen. And then something like right there. Her. Let's go. Same thing. Filter, add noise, boom, something like that. Bada bing. And okay, I like that. So Mike's thing also has like a bunch of really cool, grungy looking stuff. So we're gonna do this spray. Oh, okay. Well, I don't want, come on, I don't want it that big. That's wild. So we're gonna do something like this. He has this cool little shape in there. It's like a star. So we'll also do a star, because I think that's pretty neat. That's not really a star. We'll do, there we go, that's kind of cool. And then we'll just do like layers of black and white in here. Bam, boom, 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 boom. Whoop. Sweet. That's kind of cool. We'll just add that like there, and we have 5 minutes, you guys. Let's add in some like circle smiley faces. We'll just do some like half eyes like that, and then we'll go something like that, and we'll do like another little outline around it to add some like contrast, some depth to it. And we'll add like a little eye in there like that, and then a little something like that. Okay, cool. Let's add like a plus sign looking thing over here. That's kind of neat. Something like that, a nice little plus sign. And then, you know what, on this, let's just go ahead, do something like this. And then we'll go ahead and add some noise to that. And then we'll drag this down below. Let's do, is it lighten? Let's see. Let's do that. That looks pretty cool. And then let's see, what else could we do to this? It's like positive. We'll do another face. Okay, you guys, here's your joke of the day. What would you get if you crossed a great hockey player with a Sea-Doo? Wayne Gretzky. Wayne Gretzky. You guys, these jokes are super cheesy, but it's whatever. I'm here for it. Yeah, we'll do something like that. What is going on? Something's making a noise. What is going on? Something keeps making a noise. Photoshop is like freaking out for some reason. We'll do that. And then we'll just do something like we'll go, yeah, Nah, maybe not. Yeah, maybe we'll do something that's like, could we add, let's add some color in here. Let's go ahead and do like this blue right there. And then, yep, that's good. And we'll do something like, I don't really know what this is supposed to be honest. Am I here for it? Nah, it doesn't have any meaning, you guys. It doesn't really tie into the rest of it. Feeling like, oh, well, we gotta cover this up somehow. Maybe we just do like a little lightning bolt. Or we can do an arrow. There we go. So we'll go boom, 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 boom. Something like that. Boom. And then we'll go whoop, whoop. We'll go whoop, whoop, whoop. And then we'll go get some white in here too. Something like that. We'll get rid of those two. We'll do like a nice thin one right here. Something like that. Looks pretty neat. And then, you know what, we're just gonna add a nice little black one to this because kind of cool. It's like you're being like uplifted because you're happy. And then we'll go ahead and that's it. Okay. There we have it, you guys. Here's our sticker inspired by happy endings, happy thoughts, happy living life. Yeah, pretty cool. It like evokes all the emotion that we were going for. You know, there's lots of smiles in here, lots of positive energy. So pretty cool text. Yeah, I think it's cool. It was fun. I had a lot of fun making it. And so yeah, pretty neat. I might revisit this and do this again later, but I think this is a pretty cool place to start and got me thinking creatively. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this design, what you might do differently. Let me know any future inspiration, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to keep doing, keep trying, stay creative, stay awesome, and keep going. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace. What's up, you guys? I'm editing this video right now, but I wanted to share something with you before you click away. I just created this sticker from inspiration from the sticker that I already created. And I just want to share that as like an example of how just getting your ideas out there can spark other greater ideas, and why it's not a bad thing just to go and try things. Because, you know, when I started, I didn't have this first in mind, but through going through that creative process of having that time constraint and just, you know, chasing after my ideas, it gave me more ideas and inspiration to create this sticker, and I love this sticker. So today we actually got 2 stickers, 2 designs, 2 pieces of art for the price of 1, and I think that's so rad.